Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an animated lip sync videos from a photo using the Mivo app. So Mivo app is where you can create a cool video with the templates provided by the app. You can turn a photo into a video. You can create or generate an AI photo, and here you can just select the template from this category. So for example, I'm going to bring a photo to life. You can just click on one of the templates in here. So here, as you guys can see, that if you want to unlock this template, you need to watch the ad. Because this is a free apps, you need to watch a lot of apps, but let's just click on the free unlock. Okay, after you watch the ad, you can just close this, and here you need to choose a classic portrait selfie. Now you can just click on I get it, and then you can just select a photo. Now you can just wait until the results came out. Okay, so it's already finished generating, and this is the final result. You can see that my photo here has turned into a video, a lip sync video, and it's actually there's a song on it, but I cannot play the music because I don't want to get copyrighted. Here you can just click on export to save the result. So that's how you can turn a photo into lip sync videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.